hello, hello, hello. Gym is tough, arms are jelly. Sandwich enough to fill my belly. Stream started.
Hello. Hello, hello. How you doing today? I actually thought you were going to go something like give me stuff, my arms are jelly, my palms are sorry, one spaghetti. But no, you went a different direction. Yeah. When it comes to the Terraria stream, I think it will depend on the number of players. I think on the day, on Monday, I will ask at least a bit before if people are going to play, and then choose whether or not stream Terraria or not. Yeah. Because I don't think I can actually like beat this level of difficulty blind. Yeah. Unless I go really hardcore, I don't think I will like be able to beat this game mode. Also, it was meant to be like multiplayer, right? So if I solo it, then there is really no point to it, right?
It's very hard, yeah.
Hello, Ints. Yeah, it's indeed quite hard. You know what you can do to check whether you can connect to the server? You could like host one server on your computer, downloading the one from terraria.org, right? The one that has a link at the bottom of the page, right? And then trying to connect with it from your phone. Just to make sure like everything is working correctly. Yeah, because that's the version I'm using. Also, hello, this it. Hello. Is it me or the alerts are not working? Hold on.
Thank you, new Verthandy. New Verthandy? Because you're mewing in Verthandy. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. We okay. We are okay. Maybe it's because it threw like a little error at the start of the stream. And I was like, I don't think that will affect anything. But apparently it did. But now it's off. I don't know what to do with Terraria, to tell you the truth. Yeah, it's a bit annoying, sadly. You can save it for later for when like more people subscribe to the channel. The issue is that, yeah, it sounds really fun, unless you see it from my perspective, where I need to make sure you are not like griefing each other and like destroying the terrain just for the sake of it, and like blowing each other's bases, and like griefing and trolling, right? Then again, maybe it's just me being like so fucking like incapable of trusting people. Maybe that's my trust issues, like screaming. So I think that's maybe the issue. Maybe I just have too many like trust issues. That's one thing. The other thing that is like really fucking annoying me, and that is like causing me a bit of a frustration, is the game. The game is not moving. We are like moving a higher pace, right? And now like we are moving at a higher pace, yes. But the game doesn't feel like it's getting more completed, in a sense, which is kind of annoying. You see, there is this one problem, right? When I'm like inspired, I can go for 3 days straight programming, right? I feel like I can like sit down and create dungeon after dungeon after dungeon after dungeon, right? But that's only when I'm like inspired, right? In the meanwhile, I have like to grind, right? But even the grind is like very particular, because when I'm not inspired, I get frustrated. I believe the progress in Terraria is fairly good. It's more about the fact we cannot really have like a constant like amount of players, right? I will hope to at least like have two to be able to play, right? Because otherwise I don't think we don't really have a chance. Yeah. Yeah, I know you will join if you could. I did notice the error walls couldn't like maneuver so well when I extend the arena higher, right? I did notice that. Yes. But it doesn't like change the fact that I cannot survive the bullet hell. Yeah. The spamming of projectiles. If logs destroy projectiles, then I can like restructure the arena to benefit me a little bit more. Yeah, but it would be a bit more, what to call it, cheesy, and it probably will not like follow the way you usually build arenas. Yeah. You cannot speak during beating the final boss? Wow. Legendary canon cheeses? Then I could just go to hell and get the spellbook, the side spellbook. Wouldn't that be like fairly good against the Elder Worlds? I don't know. That's not a problem. Surviving hell is way easier than you think. Yeah. Especially because the demons apparently love me and keep like attacking me. On the previous run I had like 5 or 6 books of the site. Yeah. So it wouldn't be that difficult. Yeah. So we will have to see. Okay. If you walk on a straight line, it will probably be more effective. Yeah, I'm very close to 500 subs. Indeed. The only issue is that the sub amount that I get every week is slowly slowing down and becoming less and less, right? It's already half what I had at the start of the year. Yeah. So I don't believe I will reach 500 this year. Yeah. You see, the issue I have is that I feel like I'm not progressing fast enough. On the game development. I want it to be faster. Right now we speed up, right? But I still feel like it's very slow. And also I have an issue with storage because I have saved every stream from since I started streaming. I have every single stream, right? And it's like eating up like my whole computer. Why? Because I want to edit it and make shorts, right? Or clips. But I don't have the time to edit. And when I do manage to get a short or clip out, it doesn't get enough views for me like justify like hiring an editor, right? So I have an issue that I have a bunch of like footage that I just sitting on my hard drive that I cannot really like go through it. And when I do, it doesn't produce enough resource to be worth it, right? So what I could do is just yes, there was one short that it was very funny. From Ricardo, indeed. So what I could do, something I don't want to do. I think the only answer to this is the suicide dive that I mentioned before. Yeah, the short that made about Ricardo was actually the one with the best views in the whole channel, including live streams. Yeah. So I think I'm just going to do that. I do feel like I need an editor. I do feel that, yes. But I don't have the incentive to pay someone. It's not that I cannot pay them, right? It's that it will be pretty much always on the red. Yeah. So I think I'm like almost justified to do it myself. Yeah. Editing can be very tedious. Oh. Hello, Cami. Hello.
Burger.
It's because it's fine when you have the footage you want, right? Already prepared. But in my case, you also have to like watch the whole stream, decide what pieces are useful, rewatch it again to make sure if you didn't miss anything, and rewatch it again just to make sure everything is correct, right? And then you start editing. And mind you, I produce more live streams than what I can actually consume editing, right? So there is like a little like bottleneck there. because I basically need to dedicate at least 6 hours per stream, and every stream is like 3.5 hours, right? And I stream like what? 6 times a week, usually, if I don't cancel anything. Yes, mine specifically are way more boring because I'm not like particularly like entertaining. Yeah. My streams are indeed more boring. I do have a quick click. I do. The issue is that I cannot really usually tell if something I did is actually funny or not until I watch it on the recording. Yeah. Just like I'm not always aware of how like I pause when I talk. Yeah. So I do have a quick like save clip button. Yeah. That one was funny, yes. And mind you, that happened on the span of 30 minutes. That, like, what was it? Like, 2-minute clip was me editing down like 30 minutes of footage. Yeah. Like, I feel like I know how to make something like relatively like funny, right? Because I'm like more like difficult to make laugh means that whenever I find something funny, other people find it even more funny, right? Because I'm like, no. So I know when I find something funny, it's actually funny, right? But that means like things that are just a little funny just simply don't like work on me. So I miss that kind of stuff. That's why I have like to rewatch the same stream like what to call it several times in a row to check stuff. I think I need to do this side eye then. Okay. Probably I will be half deaf on Thursday. Okay. To side eye easy it is. The bulk stream? When did I do the bulk stream? Oh, the Valkyria Chronicles stream. I was like, bulk stream? What is that? Okay. So, problem 1. We need to go through the game.
Which might have been masochism. I would join if I could. It turns into a total min-max fest, not really just a skill issue for some bosses. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, it was funny. There is some funny moments there.
Burger.
Okay. So suicide dive it is. So this is me going all in. Let me open the game developer tool. And I also need the map. It's going to be necessary. That's one way of putting yourself down. Wow. A lot of this you had were very funny in the game. Really. Okay. So. Here is the thing. I haven't opened the sign in a moment. Assets, dungeons, maps. We were on the Iron Fortress. Okay. Okay, so today we are placing enemies. Right? Okay, so let us start by opening the dungeon. And we also need to make the enemy. Okay. When making an object, this object is going to be object underscore. Let's call this. Oh, do I already have a... Oh, I had this thing. I forgot about it. Let me rename that. Object underscore skeleton. That's one. Right? That will be the base enemy. Then... let me duplicate this. Okay. I see K playing Limbo's Comedy. We now also need the Swordman. Is Swordman. Then we also need the bow. Actually, what I'm like typing this so long. Let's just say sword, bow, shield. Shush. Silence. Okay. So we have 4, right? What other enemy do you have? It's war, shield, hobos. Did I have anything different? I didn't. So there is only 4 enemies for this dungeon. Okay, so there is 1 enemy missing. Choose it. Make an enemy. Come on. This one is on you. Your responsibility. Make an enemy. That one is for you. Figure it out. Meanwhile, I will start preparing these things. So we have these, the different skeletons, right? We need to grab the new parents. So we have the behaviors. We didn't run out of any pies. We simply never decided on a 5th enemy, so that one is for you guys. Bomb jitter? To recolor the enemies? I kinda want to, not gonna lie, but I will not. Bomb jitter? Yes? Do we agree on that? Propose something, come on. Okay, we have the enemies. Let me just make... If you had art ability, I don't care about art. Just tell me what it is. Just write it on text and I will interpret it. It might not be the same as what you have in mind, but I don't care. So come on. Use an image generated in AI? The fuck? If my, like, what to call it, my VTuber was actually technology based, you could make that argument, but I'm not. Ah, I already have the stripes. Damn it. Magic Greens exploded right after. Come on, guys. Just, like, invent yourself an enemy. Okay, we need the sword. We need the bow. We have the shield. The theme is skeleton, yes. Skeletal Spider-Man? I can make that, yeah. Shotgunner? No, because I'm not on steampunk. That's a bit too advanced. Medieval fantasy, please. I could have like a crossbow, though, if you prefer that. So let me write that down real quick. Behave. So I'm going to put it on the development channel, and it would be we said jitter. There is also a stealth enemy of shorts. Skeleton crossbow. Lich, that's the boss. You don't get to put the boss as a regular enemy. Skeletal Spiderman. Skeletal priest. Skeleton? Some skeleton march into a boulder? The skeleton a trench coat? And a skeletal calendar? That would work, but I already have a calendar in the game. A skeleton throwing poop. We already have one throwing bombs. You want a elite stalker enemy. Random spawn. Okay, we have so far 5. Skeletal suicide bomber. Giant pile of bones. That actually sounds like a sub-boss. Why are people making so much noise? Okay. Rotting skeleton heads on fire. Okay, that's good enough. Cast your vote on Discord, on the developer channel. Which one do you want? The one with more votes gets selected. Put a reaction, a check mark, or an X mark if you don't want it. Yeah. Let me real quick make this.
Perhaps a corrosive monster that leaves a damaging trail wherever they roam. Resets if you leave the room.
That sounds good for a swamp or poison level. Not really fit into this particular dungeon. Yeah. But I can imagine it. It's actually something used in the Zelda series, like a slug. Spiky skeletons? Spiky skeletons? You would need to be more descriptive. I cannot really imagine like how they would work. I could either make like the dark thingies that are sliding on the ground with spikes, or I could make like a literal trap where the skeleton like swings from the ceiling like a trap, a spiky trap, right? Or I could make it like the fire rings of Terraria in the dungeon that follow the edge of the wall. Spiky hard slide. You want a punk skeleton. That sounds weird. Wow, you just say, sure, that will work. But you don't actually tell me what you were like referring to. Wow. 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 Okay. So I want to make a skeleton just as a placeholder. So placeholder. That looks awful. And that's good enough. So we have the skeleton. Then we need the skeleton. Archer. So I'm going to just do this. Just to mark it. Is very hard to survive the composition. Those torn cadavers would have metal shards on them that killed them when they were alive. Because of the falling headfirst into a tower of metal fence. We have chat choice right there, and let's see which shields. And we want a shield that will just blue. Just because. Then we need a skeleton with a sword. So I will just make a skeleton with a sword. Sword. Okay, there we go. Skeleton with a catapult or a mace? Catapult or mace? Hmm. The shell skeleton with a mist could be cool. Hmm. That indeed would work. Yeah. So, how many of you have bullets? Only 2 of you. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Hmm. Hmm. So what do you guys want? For the skeleton? I only see 2 boats. Let's see. We have Boom Jeter and Skeleton Crowbow. Skeleton. In front of you will be interested, but maybe guard inside. Get to play in underdogs. A very good plan. Catapult Kelly. Okay, since nobody's voting, we have running between the skeleton bow and the bomb jitter. Right? And let me think. We have rock throwers, we have bubbles, we have that thing. Okay. I think I'll lean towards the bomb jitter. So let's go bomb jitter. Aptly named by you guys. I mistyped that. Okay, so that would be the bomb jitter. No. what a typo. Shut up. I didn't even notice unless you pointed out. I wouldn't even have noticed that. Okay, I'm just assigning the sprites real quick. We have the one with the shield. We have one with the sword. Okay. So now we have the thingy set. I wish there was a way to reset the view. Ah, there it is. All right, I wanted to make this also. I just remembered. Hold on. Where do we have the doors? I want door sprite, not in objects. Sprite, the door, not what I want. The ring placeholders. Sprites. Okay, let's use this. I'm just going to drop this on all of them for now. Okay. So we just set the positions, excuse me, the sprites of the enemies. Now we will place the positions. So let me first heal all of this. Did I not set this? Okay. Okay. This is probably going to fail horribly. So, actually, it shouldn't do anything. Hold on. I wanted to place the enemies. Hold on. So we have the sprites here. I want to go to the rooms. Okay, let's start. So, first room we have a single skeleton right there. So it would be a sword Y. Sword 1. Wait, why so big? Hold on. Why is that so big? Hold on. Did this thing create it? It created the images double the size. Why? I wonder if there is a configuration that I changed that is causing an issue. Yeah, I do have the menu to teleport. Yes. The issue is that it doesn't actually like load a specific save file, so right now it's broken. Okay, so skeleton dude. Oh, that's the sprite. skeleton sword. And I will set you 16, 16. So I can place you more specifically. So that's that guy right there. To the left we have 2. So we go to the other wing over here. Ah, the fuck? Why did you pop out? We have the skeleton with sword. Let's place them there. Then we have another 2 on the other side. So on the other side. We have sword skeletons
At
here.
its heart, where the storm first struck, dwells, veiled in mist and regret, a siren bound to guard the stolen relic no mortal hand was meant to hold.
Okay. We have the first rooms. Let's go to the other ones. Let's move to the entrance here. So main hall, right there. So we need 2 swords, 1 shield. So we will have 1 sword on each side and a shield in the middle. Okay. Did I put it on the... I put it on the wrong place. There we go. Okay. So we have that there. Now let's go to the left. We have 3 bows, 1 sword guy. So going left and here. 3 bows. Right there. One sword guy. Will a cooking skill of a high non-level user attack? It seems like a story command, the message that I just sent. Historia drops stat randomly. It's a bit of lore about the game. Yes. Okay, that looks correct. Moving to the other side, we have a sword guy and a arrow guy. So that would be this one right here. So a sword and bow. And because there is so little people here, I will put a bomb jitter here. There is another guy up there. Almost missed that. Bow. Here. Yeah. Let's see. Swords and bows. Okay. So we go to the second part. So bows. I need to fix that. So bows and swords. Well, you won't think if you are fighting a monster that is like comestible and you have like a high cooking level, you will be able to like butcher it while it's alive. Like, it would be really nice if you like had like guarantee critical hits against every monster that you know how to make a dish of. Yeah. Not really, because think about it. You need to know how to cut the A-grade cuts of like meat, right? How to separate the bone from the flesh without like messing up the flesh, right? I would say it would work. Yeah, I don't see why not. It will be like less effective than when you are cooking, right? Because the thing is still like moving. But aside from that, I will allow you to use it. Yeah. Let's see. Is right here. We have both swords. So swords. Two swords. One bow. Okay. Then we do these two swords onto the right. So swords. Onto the right. Swords. So we have two. And I will put a bomb up there. Yeah. I've placed it on the ground position. Should I like lock this? Since I'm not using it. Let me check the other maps. Yeah, I was placing them in the ground location. Damn it. Actually, these ones are in the ground location also. Why did you move? Okay. So that was that. Let me just check that I didn't put things in the ground location again. Yeah, all of these I placed on the ground place. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So we finished with this and we are done with the main health. Right? Attacking shark kills face when you slowly pull out the high grade fever. That would be horrifying indeed. Okay, left wing. So we have an ambush, we said, right? So left wing. This one. We have a bunch of skeletons for a... Can I write text here, I wonder? Huh. Let's see. I'm going to just put a bunch of enemies. Right. Since this is an ambush, then we have this. That is 4 archers, 3 swarmans. Okay. So over here, I need 4 archers. So we have, I will put them like this, right? And this swarming. And there we go. We already did that. Let's go to the right wing. This area. Okay, so right wing. Right here we have 2 archers. So 2 archers. And below that, here we have 1 sword one. Sword. But because it's alone, I will throw a bomb jeter. Okay. We have that. And I believe with that we have completed the first level. Right, let's go to F2. So I close this F2. Let me cure this. Okay. So let's start with this one. That is the main one. Right here we have the sword people. So sword people. Okay. Then to our left. Right here we have what? No enemies here, but we have a sword and archer over there. Okay. So, sword. And I'm placing them on the ground layer again. Lovely. Archer. Let me check the other one. I actually place them on the ground location. There we go. That's fine. Next. Sword, shield, and archer. Below. That would be right here. Right here. So. Sword, shield, archer. Okay, let's move to the next one. That would be this one. Here we have 2 sword, 1 archer, 3 archers below. Okay. So 2 sword, 1 archer, 3 archers below. Okay. Then we have the boss fight. And up here we don't have any enemies. So that's for F2. Okay. Now we go to B1. B1. Okay. Let's start with this thing. This nightmare right here. So that would be that. Okay, here I'm going to be placing archers. So we have one about here. Then we have 3 spaces and place right there. Then we have 2 spaces and archer. Okay. Then we have an archer in the middle right here. Then we have one there, one there. So one right there, one right here. Then we have one in the corner and one directly above. So one right there, one directly above. And an archer to the right, aligned with the empty space. So right here. Okay. So that's it. On the left we have a bunch. So on the left, this is 0, 0, so I'm looking for 6, 0 right here. So here we have 2 swords, shield, bow. Okay, so 2 swords, 1 shield, 2 bow. Over here we have 1 sword, 1 bow. Right here, 1 sword, 1 bow. And I will put a bomb here because we don't have that many enemies. Then next is the middle. We have the swords, guys. That would be 7-1 right here. And we need 2 sword dudes. Swords. And because it's too empty, I will throw in a bomb guy. Then let's go to the left. We have 2 sword guys. Oops. To the left, that would be 6-1. So we have 2 sword guys right here. Because it's a bit empty, I will put a bomb guy right here. Oops. Then we have this side is empty. We have a bunch of enemies here before the boss key. So that would be on 6-2 right here. So I will put all the types of enemies just to make it a bit of a challenge. And then we have the door before the boss. So that would be 7-2. And we have shields, swords, and a bunch of bows. Okay. So that would be shield in the middle, a sword dudes, then a bunch of bows. Like this. Right, and then on the right side we have 2 swords on the pathway right here, and that's it. Then we just have the boss fight and the relic. Did you throw the fog into levels or wanted to implement that? I already implemented the fog. I just have not like used it everywhere yet, sadly. Okay. Now what I need is to modify a little bit the sprites, because these are nice to show off where the enemies are, right? But I have not like properly set everything. So skeleton. So I will put this guy here. And the convention was what again? I don't remember. Hold on. Yeah. Skeleton, let me see your step face. Here, I don't need this. Switch state. And we wanted this. And the convention is enemy state direction. Okay. So sprite enemy state idle ideal direction would be, let's call this neutral, right? And let me modify this. Here we are like defaulting to the empty string right there, right? Instead of doing that, how about I grab let's call this the underscore default. And what I'm going to do is use name the state and direction will be predetermined. So I will say state will be idle underscore neutral, right? And that would be the asset I return. So it's not like showing an empty sprite every time. Also, I need to enable the logger. Option underscore error logger. And I believe not here. Index enable equal to true. I should be enabled. Okay. So with that, we should be defaulting to the correct sprite, right? So we have the skeleton. We have the skeleton words, which would be this guy. And this would be, let me rename this. Actually, no, that's fine. Idle. Neutral. Then we have skeleton bow, and I just named this idle neutral. Then one more skeleton bomb. And here I will just say idle neutral. Nice name. That's the name you guys choose. I will blame you for it. shield, I go neutral. Okay, now that should work correctly. Right now the enemies have no way of attacking, right? So I should be able to like just play like this. You have no regrets. Continue. And crash, because dungeon entrance in Alma DJ server. Variable something that matters server no set the frame rate. Self.mat target equals. What are you complaining about exactly? Unknown map Dungeon 1007. Don't I have a... Hold on. I thought I actually had a... Oh! I see. That's an issue. Hold on. Dungeon. Door. Huh. Hold on. It's because I set this to the default to be that. Okay. But this is complaining about Dungeon 1. Which is weird. Okay. Why are you complaining about Dungeon 1 exactly? That's what I don't understand. There is no, like, of these things, none of these actually point to Dungeon 1. Okay, let me check. Edgelord Skeletron. Yeah, it keeps like crashing, saying that it's trying to get to the dungeon. Ah. It is the crash. Reference recreate. Object Dungeons Entrance 01. The one that is complaining. Uh-huh. Unknown object. Oh, that's why you're complaining. I see. I believe there is this one Skyrim Fallout mod where instead of making skeleton of a baby, they make a regular skeleton to the size of a baby. It's really funny. It does sound funny. Why are you crashing? Entrance 2. Oh, I see. What was the entrance of dungeon? I believe it was 7100. Yeah. Okay. So, dungeon 2. Yeah, it's because it's on a different floor. Okay. Another crash, lovely. This time is entrance 3. I see. Entrance 0. Entrance 1. Hold on. I think I fucked up. Dungeons, entrances, number 3. Yeah, let's kill that. Entrance 7. Okay, entrance 7 is complaining now.
Six, 7.
Don't start now. Entrance 8 is complaining now. Extra nice, now it's complaining. Oh, I get what is happening. Now I understand it. There we go. Okay. So, I believe each one of these... Oh! This one doesn't lead to the right location. Lovely. This one is right, but you cannot exit, sadly. Number 3 leads to the wrong location. Number 4 leads to the right collection. Wow. I see. I know the issue. Hold on. Wow. Skeleton. So, my friend the skeleton doesn't have a name. Where are you? What is your name? Why did I not put the name on the top? Hold on. Where is the... Where is the name? Name is not from here. What's your parent? Entity parent. Entity parent. Where are you? There you are. And I'm going to change your definition so the character name is on the top, please. Holy shit. Like that. Okay. Now we can go to the enemy skeleton. And the name is at the top. So, skeleton. That's one. Then we make this one bump skeleton bump guitar. Then this one also skeleton bow. Skeleton shield. Skeleton sword. There we go. Okay, so now if I go over here, they shouldn't become invisible. There we go. Ain't that nice? They cannot really attack. But now we have our dudes actually here. Right? Progress. They should be everywhere. And I believe I can kill it in one hit. Yeah. These guys don't have a projectile attack yet. But now we have the enemies moving around.
They still look like sad ghosts in the Minecraft ghost variety.
They do look like sad ghosts. I do agree. Yes. And it's kind of funny that you mention it. Oh. That one actually hit me. Wow. Right, but now we have enemies, which is quite nice. I need to fix that. That shadow is not working correctly. This is the boss fight. Then we go over here, get the bow. Right? Then we can blow this to go to the other one. I'm stuck. Yeah, that's working just fine. Okay. Let me see. The dungeon that has like a broken connection was this one, right? Yeah, it's going to 007. I believe it should be on 4, right? Why not? No? Let me check real quick. Just to make sure they are targeting the right one. Oh, that's definitely not correct. So it's not 4. Let me close all this. Let me check. It should be... It's not 4? Yes, it's 4. Huh, wait. Did I tap that wrong? No, that's correct. Huh. Well, whatever. Dungeon 4. Okay. So now that we have the enemies there, right? Now I kinda want to try to complete it. Okay. So we need
Hello, Juice Lady.
Hello, Basil. Hello. Okay. So right now we have a two types of doors, right? Hold on. I'm trying to figure it out. We have two types of doors. So we have the breakables, the teleporting doors. The one-way doors. Okay. My brain is braining. Hold on. We have these ones, the puzzle lock. Then there is also the stairs, right? The gauntlet lock has this code. Let me check all of this. So it checks for the boss. Enemies, okay. So that's you
Brain
need to
emoji.
let go like one. Okay. Then we have this that is the one that triggers the just store.
Vibration mode emoji.
You want to handle the animation, the state. Okay, so there is just this that triggers that. And this comes from door parent. Okay. Door parent is right here. And this has the trigger to use the... Okay. Stairs parent overrides this. Okay, good night, Ricardo, as well. Good night, good night. Okay. So the only issue here is the collision. Okay, I'm trying to make a door that doesn't teleport you to a different location. Basically. Okay. Let me do this. So we have the door parent right here, right? I think I'm going to like separate this. Menus, parents, generic, new group, door. Doors. Doors generic. Let's move the door parent over here. So we have different kinds of doors, right? On Dungeon Zero we have the boss room, we have the breakables. The breakable basically has a check for the bombs, right? That's all. The door parent actually doesn't have a step. So I could do like create object underscore door break above breakable parent, right? And have the parent here, and I can just copy this code that is unique right there, right? So I just add step. And then we have the generic one. Then we have the gauntlet door here. That also just modifies the base. So I can like duplicate the breakable. And just modify the step. Right? And it's the same with the key lock. It just has like a few extra stuff. So annoying. Here we need to inherit events, right? Like that. On the key lock. And then I can copy all of this for the step. And now we have the key lock. Then we have the door normal, that is just the normal door. And then here I just delete this. Then we have the one way. That is just a regular door, huh? Okay. Then we have the puzzle one. That just has the step. Okay. I copied the codes. Now let's go for the special things. For example, this guy has the status there. That would be, I don't need that one. The lock should be puzzle. It's another thing that could change. And it will break everything on the game. And it has a value right there. Trigger. Boolean. Okay. That's the puzzle door. Done. So now let's do one way. One way. One way. State. Closing. I don't have anything else. Okay. Then we have the normal. Just, oh, wow. It doesn't have anything special. Yeah, okay. Key lock. Key lock. Let's see, this has just state key and closed. I really want to adjust this, but it will break everything. It will fucking break everything. I can already tell it will break everything. Let's. And by default it's open and it's just counted. Okay. I really want to change that. Fuck. And I know if I do, I'm going to regret it like crazy. Breakable. Breakable close. Okay. Now that I have the archetypes ready, right? Now I'm going to do a variety on this. So what I'm going to do is create, this is like our basic doors, right? So we'll call this just doors and move all of these minus this in here. I'm going to create something I will call a fence. Right? And what I'm going to do is duplicate the gauntlet, move it over here, and now we'll just call this fence gauntlet parent. And here what I'm going to do is modify the collision. I will simply say override event. And we touch the player, we won't do anything. It's as simple as that. Right? So now, what I'm going to do is create for dungeon 4 right? I'm going to create a group of fences. And here I will
A false
create-
goddess, crafted from illusion and divine mimicry, was elevated to take her place. With the world's anchor gone, reality began to drift. Few noticed, fewer remembered.
Yeah. Object fence. Gauntlet. And here I will grab the parent fence gauntlet parent. Right? That way I don't have to program anything. And here I will just change the placeholder to... I forgot I have not finished that. Let's leave it to forest for now. Right, so in theory, what this will cause is very simple. So, we have this one map, right, on F1 in the entrance particular. Right here, you see this space. I'm going to put that fence right here. And in the meanwhile, I will give it this thing. I will give this so we can actually see it. Right? Like that. Now let's test it out. Let's see if this works the way I want it to. Probably it's going to break horribly. Okay, it's working now fine. It opened. And now I can just walk through. Okay, that's working just fine. I'm just missing a thingy here. And let's call that layer. So I can have everything sorted correctly. Let's give it a moment, right? I want to check if I blocks collisions. Like I cannot walk through, right? If I try to go through this, it won't let me. Right? But once I kill these two, I can now go through. Nice. So that's working perfectly. Love it. So now let's go to the other side. And what I'm going to do is close the sprites. Go to the other side, and I will grab our fence or gauntlet. Let me set this correctly. Right, and I place it right there. I also need is so I go in here, go to the other side. Here this shoe won't let me go through. Okay. And now I can go through. Nice. Yeah. Nice, we have that. Just as a placeholder. Shush. Let's see. Where else do I use this? Not down here. On F1, I use it right there, actually. And over here also. So, let's go to those maps. So that would be on the main hall. Right here. So we have some things blocking here, right? Very simple. I suppose I can do that. And then I can place the fence. Let me create the thing. Right there. And to make it look clean, let me just adjust this. Like that. What else? We said there was one on the left, if I recall. Yeah, we had one on the left. Nothing on the right. Okay. So on the left wing, right here we have another instance right there. Actually, this one is also a gauntlet door. So let me remove this and make it a gauntlet door. Alright, I don't have that door. So I can just make here a new folder. Let's call this doors, right? Then I will simply create a new door. Object underscore door. Gauntlet. Huh. I'm surprised it didn't block me. Interesting. Do I not have a object called... Oh, it's because it has the tagline at the end. Ah. So I should say here a fortress gauntlet. I fort, let's call it. A fort. And this thing will have the parent from the gauntlet, so I don't have to edit anything. And for now, we'll set the theme to the forest. And we will assign the sprites for the door. Not here. Right here, the gauntlet. one. Right there. Right. That means now I can just go over here, grab the door, place it where it must be, and we good. Impressive how fast your debugging is. Is it? No. Let's see. We have that's an ambush. Okay. Let me test it out. Oh, now that I think about it, you might be stuck over here. Because, you see, when you come in here, the only way to open that door is to kill all enemies, right? So if you kill this guy, it doesn't necessarily open the door, because there is other enemies in the room, right? That's an issue. You need to force this guy to come to you to kill it, and then you can go through. That's an issue that I need to figure out. Yeah. Now if I go to here, now I'm locked in here, right? I cannot go back. I cannot go up here. So I have to finish all the enemies. Then the door opens. And now I can go up. Right? Should I like not make it so it does the double check if there are enemies around? So here you go through here, right? And I don't have the bomb, so I cannot blow up that thing, because it does block you a little bit. Let's see. We can kill these guys. Wow, I'm missing a door right here also. Shit. Okay. So, first anything, I need to give myself bombs. So, bombs. I already give myself the bombs. Huh. Okay, let me check. So in theory, I should be able to use the bombs. I do have the bombs, yeah. Oh, for some reason, they are not, like, showing up. Interesting. That's a bug. Because you can actually see it on the items there. Okay, let me think. I don't have the bombs. I need to make this bomb our wall. Yeah. Ah, shit. I really need to reset it so you can go back. Okay. So there is a problem with the bombs, apparently. Because you cannot really see the item there. Which is kind of weird, actually. Let me see something. Your storage. Pick up. Use item. Change item. Okay, let me do this. Just to check what's happening. Let's see. So item list stats. Function, return element, selected item. Currently 0. Okay. 0 should be none. Selected item is 7. That would be the whip. Wait. Oh. Pena index plus plus. That gets the current selection, okay. Then it looks through the... Oh, you cannot see what I'm doing. Okay. Let's see. So index is 8. Okay. We continue. So items is 9. Okay. Item not found. Index 0. What happened there? Hold on. So we are on index 1, right? So array length item list. That doesn't matter. Tries. Is item enabled? Actually, let me check that. So we go in there. Item enable, item 2. So here is where we check all the stuff. Non-return true. Okay. So we skip 1, skip 2. That's the torch. He said the torch was enabled, but I didn't enable the torch. Huh. Oh, he's checking for the torch. I see. Checking for the other one. So this should be done like 10 times, right? Item 6. Item 7. This should go in here, right? We go all the way to the whip. Enter there. This should return true. So it skips everything and finishes. Okay. So if I press again, we are checking item 8 that we don't have. Then item 9. Right? Then now we are on item 0 that we do have, so it ends on the empty one. Okay, and I press again. We are checking item 1, so we go. Why did it? Hold on. Okay, so that's that. That's the empty one. Then I set it for that. Okay. So the item we're checking is item 1, the bomb. Right? We go in here. Item 1 is item 0. So we proceed. Right? We proceed to the bombs, right? So it should check the flag there. So it's returning right there, right? And when we return over here, it should mark this as to be true and skip. But it goes in, so it's returning a false for item 000. Even though it's true. Why are you returning? What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on. What are you doing exactly? Paradox equals to this. I wanna see what value you're seeing. And you're stopping here. Ah. Okay. Continue. Okay, so we entered bombed. And it's saying it's false. What? It's clearly set to true there. Is it the name not correct? No, the name is correct. Why is the bomb false? What the fuck? Oh wait, is it loading the configuration? Oh, that could be it, actually. Huh. Okay. It's overwriting whatever I have here. I see. Okay, let me do something. Let's go to the ship real quick. Ship. Let me fix this door real quick. So I'm going to delete that. And I will place the... Not enemy. I need a door. This is generic doors. I actually should make a variation for the exits. I just realized that. Hold on. So what I'm going to do... I'm going to copy... Actually, I can just do this, I believe. Just duplicate all of them. Bring it over to the exit. And I will just call this dungeon exit. Just renaming this 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Come on. God damn it. Okay. So I will place this guy right here. Like that. And I'm modifying this thing. The variable, this is going to be okay. So the exit is going to be on map underscore overworlds 15. One, two, 1, 2, 3. I think it's 15.3. Let me try. Okay, good night. Thanks. As well. Good night, good night. Ah. Hold on. Whatever. Hold on. Overworlds. Where are you?
Pregnant man emoji.
Wait. What the fuck? Oh, it's because I have it filtered. Overworlds. Here we're missing a door. Okay. So much debugging. Is exactly one room off. Okay. So dungeon exit here has to be one below that. Okay, with that we have the exit corrected, I believe. Going here, exit. Yep. Okay, we're on the correct map now. Yes. Nice. Now that we have that. Why was I doing that again? I don't remember anymore. I actually don't remember why. Why was I doing that? Oh, right. I remember now. Hold on. Okay. I was going to go through the dungeon to get the bombs.
You were trying to asterisk.
Yeah. So we go through here, kill this guy, kill that guy. Ow. Off that guy, off this guy. Okay, heal this guy. We're going over here. Trigger that, just in case. Go across. Over here. Heal this. Don't go over here. Kill that guy, kill this guy. Combo that. Ow. There we go. Ow. We just one-shot this guy. We're going here. Ow. Now we got the bombs right here. Right. Now I can just exit. I can just some bombs here. Just to try to get some. Parts. There we go. Nice. And now I can go in here and get out. Nice. So over here. Ah, shit. I fucked myself. Yay. I should have said. Once more, let's do this run. Just need to kill a bunch of slimes real quick. Oh. Okay, we're going here, kill the boss. I need to make this boss more difficult. It's like a fact that I need to fix this boss. Wow, now I'm not getting any drops. Going through here, going out. Kira will save before I make another mistake. Okay. Now we save. Now we can go over here and use the bombs offensively, like this. Ow. Or screw it up and really hurt myself. Okay. Okay. Here I don't have a way to go up, do I? Yeah, because I have not put the stairs here. Okay, let me fix that real quick. So F2, we're talking about these spots. No, this is F2. Like one big one. Right here. No, right here. No, right here. Come on, load. Okay. So we need stairs. Close the entrances, doors. Let me make a new group. Stairs. And I need to make a stairs up. Didn't I have stairs around here? I do have a stairs parent. What happened to the actual stairs? Dungeon 1, triggers, decorations. Where did I put the stairs? Stair. Oh, there is one on the placeholders. Okay. Let me see what this does. So we have one that uses placeholders, has on contact stuff, and using stair parent. Okay. So I can basically just simply create a new object. Object underscore stairs underscore I4, and I can set this to be up, and I can make one that goes down just in case. Right, and I just need to set the stairs parent to be for these guys. That's down and that's up. And let's see, the down one is lock down, direction down. Okay, that's fine. Over here, this guy has to be direction up. Now that we have that, I just need the sprites. There's I don't actually have like sprites for it. Interesting. I thought I had sprites. Wait, I do have a placeholder. Where is this guy getting? That's weird. Sprite? Sprite underscore. Placeholder underscore. That's so weird. It says there is no sprite placeholder there, but I have it selected later. The fuck? Terrain, placeholders, forest, ship, wreck. I see. The names are completely different. That's why. Okay. I don't know why I used those names, but okay. So we have this one that goes up, and we have this one that goes down. One second, my cat wants to leave the room. I'll be right back.
Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Asterisk, 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 asterisk.
Wow. Wow. I'm gone for one moment. Just one moment. And you do that. Wow. Wow. Okay, I have my stairs, so let's use them. So we have that goes up. And I believe we have one on the other side. That would be on big one 6-1. No, 600. Made it to unlock this section. Wow. There we go. So now there is ways out. And I believe there was one that needed a door that I was missing. Yeah, right there. Let me nuke that. And we put stairs up. Right there. So now we have stairs. Right, so now we are here. I can kill this guy. And I need to select my bomb, place it, parry at... Oh, the parry is not working. Huh. Huh, that's an issue. Oh, it's because I don't have the shield. I just remember that. I just remember I don't have the shield. Damn it. Okay, we do have this. Now to exit, I can literally go through here. And we're out. Oh, but that means we're stuck if we don't have a way to attack these guys. Ah! Wow, that's a big issue. Holy shit. Well, there is one way to do that. Huh. You can actually get stuck in there. Huh. Just like you can get stuck here. Okay. We go through this. And here we are on a battle area. We get rid of these guys. Go up of these guys. I can place a bomb right there. We go through here. I can kill this guy. If I go back, I can move normally. Okay. I can also go up and fight this guy. I have not fixed the shadow issue. Here we fight the boss. We go out. Over here we get the thingy. We can blow this now. Ah! Right, that doesn't work. I forgot about that. Ah. That might need some fixing. At least now we can basically go through the whole place. Right, now I can go back down here. Trigger this. Oh wow, it won't let me trigger it. Oh right, I need to press this. I forgot about that. I can hit this, destroy that. It leads... Oh! That should... What the fuck happened there? Wait. Was that right? No, that's right. I just got really confused. So the only thing that is not working properly right now is the breakable wall. Everything else is kind of working. Yeah. I need to change this to a breakable wall also. Okay. Let's see. Now that I think about it, this area should really block. But that means you cannot really out, but you can exit through there. That's true. Okay. So let me do a little fix there. Basically, it's the same thing as the fence. So I go over here, right? And I make a new fence. Object underscore fence effort break above, and I will just grab one of these, right? Just below. Oh, that's the object, right? Why is not like showing me the sprites? I find that so weird. That it's not showing me the sprites. Doors. Breakables. Oh, it's because I'm not using the right convention for the naming. Oh, I see. Okay, we have this that is supposed to be a fence, right? So I'm going over here. I can close that. We have the generic, and I simply need for a breakable parent. Duplicate it. This. Move it over here. One moment. Give me a moment. Somebody is knocking on my door. I'll be right back.
Strike not flint to stone, but will to sorrow. Asterisk, 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 asterisk.
Okay, I'm back. Today I'm getting interrupted a lot. Okay, so we were handling the breakable things. So breakable... Why did I make a copy of this? I just realized that. Yeah, why did I make a copy here? What the fuck? Delete. Let me duplicate this one. Let's call this the abo fence breakable parents. Hello. And here we don't need this. We need the breakable one. Like that. And we do nothing on contact with the player, which is fine. And then I can select this, put the breakable parent right there. And now I can place this on the correct map. Okay. Correct map. That would be on F2 right here. This one I need to replace. So, what the hell? Wow, it's actually blocking me, huh? Okay, that's the breakable fence. Right there. And let me give it a try. Hello. Hello. Right, from here. So we set this on the second floor. Let me take the shortcut. Oh, I forgot to fix the shadows again. Ah. Well. At least it's letting me through, even though it's not like working correctly. Hold on. What happened there? Fence breakable parents. Additions. That's the issue right there. Breakable. Lock state closed. By default. Is this... No, that's set correctly. Breakable. Okay. Takes a bit to get rid of these guys, huh? Okay, so now it's actually locked. And now I can use the bomb to block this open. There we go. That's actually quite nice. And I can grab the harpies. Not that's working correctly. Okay, let me fix these shadows. So, second floor, 6-2, I believe? No, 6-1. The shadows. You. And you. Variables, variables. You are connected to you are connected to this one to that one. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, there was another door that I didn't make on F2, right? Yeah, this passes right there. And it was mainly because I didn't know how to do that. It's basically a one-sided, like, breakable wall. So I didn't put it because I don't have the actual, like, code written for that. Yeah.
F.
Actually, I know of a way to do this.
Now write the code. You have 15 minutes.
That's true. Let me see. My brain is processing. Hold on. So basically we want that breakable, right? But we want it to be one way. So let me duplicate this. Let's call this breakable, one-way breakable. No. Let's call this short. Dot. The shortcut is going to be very specific. It doesn't have a reaction to anything because you cannot interact with it, right? This one basically lets you go through on one side or the other, right? So the trick here is that it needs a target ID. It just needs a specific target ID. And in theory, I should be able to generate it, right? Because I generated the key right there. Basically, I'm using room plus object plus position XY, right? So if I want, this, and the one-way shortcut should be
Asterisk, 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 asterisk.
the object name. Room object string. Hi, spy. Hello.
Honey.
Hello, dudes. Hello, hello. So I would be looking for the object name, right? But it would be the room next to me, not the exact room I'm in. I just need the exact same ID. My brain is not like generating the correct thing. because it's technically very simple, right?
Brain not braining, time to sleep.
Kind of, yeah. I just need to access the correct value. I could like do this manually, technically, by just setting the correct ID. But I want to generalize it. Yeah. I don't like hard coding stuff. Yes. Okay, so here is the thing. The name of the objects changes a lot, right? You can see it over here, right? We have door I4 gauntlet, right? This is the name of the object, right? So this will change for every different, like dungeon. That means I cannot use the object. So in theory, I need a function generate key, right? One specific for doors, right? And the key would be room plus door type. In theory. Right? Door type X and Y. That will basically set the object apart, right, from the rest of everything. So the calculation would be, for this particular door, would be get opposing X, Y. target map, the opposing XY. The door type would be and this is shortcut door. I will get the opposing map of opposing XY of type clickable, right? And I will assign the same ID of that, right? So if the other thing is open, this would be open.
Virtual head.
Hello stream. Hello. How are you doing? So that would be like the most functional thing here. This also would work for breakable walls, right? They should have the same idea as the opposing door. But not quite. Hold on. For breakables, we need to check if opposing door data exists. And then we use as our own ID. Right? If we already have data from other door, we just grab that. If not, we make own ID. We make our own. But for the shortcut, it will always rely on the other ID. Generator key, not for generate the keys for the doors. No, is the basically the name of the save file, right, for the door. So what I do with the shortcut is that we check if there is a save data for the breakable opposing side, right, and load that. So if the other opposing side is open, this door is open, basically. Yeah. My boss feeds my model? I surely hope so. Indeed. Yeah, I also have noticed a few VTubers who's like voice don't feed the model. Like that, like I believe her name was Shion from HoloLive. Now that she left the corporation, her new VTuber model doesn't really fit her voice. Yeah. Sadly. You know what? Now that I think about it, it would be a good idea to have a good opposing door key. Get the opposing doors key function. That would be probably a good idea, having like a dedicated function for that. Yeah. Okay, I don't think I will be able to finish this function today, sadly. It's already time. Okay. Let us stop here for today then. We made, I believe, quite a bit of progress. We finished placing all the enemies. They still not have like the correct behavior, but they are already there. Yeah. Also, we kinda added most of the doors. We now can like actually move through the whole area. Yeah. I think that's really good. We are missing the implementation of the bow. Did you find any your comments? I'm seeing them over here. For the most part, yeah. Unless, like, they are actually not appearing. Lulu Lasso doesn't fit her model? Honest and model chat voice. Yeah, that really doesn't really fit. Indeed. Yeah. Okay, let us stop here.
It doesn't work, bet. Impressive how fast your debugging is. Pregnant man emoji. You were trying to asterisk asterisk asterisk. DZVW use lobotomy, F. Now write the code. You have 15 minutes. New. Brain not braining. Time to sleep. Virtual hug.
It's funny the things that it is decides to read. Anyways, let us stop here for today. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. We are almost through this dungeon. Almost. It's not quite there. We are like still having some issues. Yeah. I feel like maybe one or two more streams we will be done with it. Yeah. Yes, and then we can move to the next. Indeed. Anyways, let us end up here. Thank you so much for coming. Good night, good night. Bye-bye. Adios. Rest well. Good night. Bye-bye. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Nos vemos. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye. Bye-bye.
I'm a lurk before I fall asleep. Happy programming. Good luck. Good night at Ines 9577. Pregnant man emoji. One room. You were trying to asterisk asterisk asterisk. DZVW used lobotomy. DZVW begged for crystals. DZVW got 12 crystals. Wow. Finally you made it to an asterisk section. Huh. Strike not flint to stone, but will to sorrow. DZVW used lobotomy. Huh. F. Now write the code. You have 15 minutes. Done. Whose ID? Ola, Limau, Hamu. Hollam, bread emoji. Hello. NM. NVM. I spy spy. Olander. Honeybee emoji. Left, brain not braining, time to sleep. I know the feeling. You can do it manually, but it feels insulting to you as a programmer. For not automating it. I guess for doors, it has to be done manually. Locked, virtual hug. Mew, hello. Hello DZVW. Oh, is generated door key not for generating the keys for doors? It generates the door's ID? I'm in library. Nice. Does the library have good-looking librarians? I haven't been in a library since I graduated university. Yeah, not better than Muto hehe. Oh, gotcha. Speaking of Mew, her voice fits her model. I know of a few VTubers whose voices don't fit their VTuber models. You're right about that. Some do looking like villain voice is like someone from class 3. Wah-ah. Okay, good night everyone. Is shadow banning my comments? I'll just drop the name Lululasu. Her voice doesn't fit her model. Oni-san model, child voice. Okay, good night everyone. Yay. And we have like 15 dungeons left to go. Bye. Hasta mañana, D. Bye bye, waving hand emoji. Hand pink waving. Bye D.